Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I don't care if you're posting videos on TikTok or running a meme page on Instagram or have a massive following on Pinterest. Every content creator needs to build their email list. And in today's video, I'm going to outline exactly why this is the case. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. I've created this channel to share the things I'm learning as I build my online business. If this is the kind of content you're into, make sure you subscribe to the channel to get notified when I release new videos. So, why does every content creator need an email list? It all stems from one single word: control. I want to start with a story that I recently heard from an online marketer who started digital marketing about 15 years ago. Back in the day, Google was the go to channel for marketing. In the early days, Google basically put up the advertiser with the highest bid at the top of the search results. They didn't have a quality score back then. So, what happened is he started bidding to become the top 4 or 5 search results, all just by paying to be there. Then, suddenly, Google updated its algorithm and search policies that changed how they show the results to the searchers. Overnight, his business went from $300,000 per month to $0 per month. He wasn't in control of his business because he was overly reliant on Google Ads. Luckily, he had been building an email list throughout this time period, really without trying or putting much effort into it. After realizing the risk of relying on Google, or any other platform for that matter, the potential of having an email list, he checked on the back end and realized he had collected hundreds of thousands of email addresses, but he had never sent a single email. The greatest strength and number one benefit of email marketing is that you get to have control and own the relationship. You become self reliant and not dependent on a third party platform for customers or traffic. Now, how does your email list grow your YouTube channel? I think this is really important topic to discuss as more and more people want to have a successful, thriving channel. The key here is to use your email list and social media following to get views on YouTube, and then use your YouTube to grow your email list and social media following. They work hand in hand to grow your audience and turn an ability to turn your passion into profit. Social media, be it Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Clubhouse, should be set up to grow your email list. Remember, you don't own or control the relationship until an audience member is on your email list. And social media is a free method to build your list, so there's no reason not to use it. Email marketing is essentially broken down into 3 distinct phases: build, send, profit. List building starts with social media. Sending emails helps you build relationships, and then profits come in when you're able to promote products that the people on your list are interested in. Oftentimes, it's hard to learn and master these 3 concepts. One challenge a lot of beginners run into is not being able to send or profit because they have no list built. It's like trying to learn how to ride a bike without the bike. It just doesn't work. And until you have built a list, it's hard to be self-reliant business owner. There's always the risk involved you can't reach your audience. One thing I've done to start building my list is a partner with digital marketing expert Anthony Morrison. He has a course called Partner with Anthony, where he outlines step by step the process of building an email list. He talks about what tools to use, how to set up those tools, and then how to drive traffic and build a solid email list. In addition to that, he then shows how to monetize that list, providing access to promote his suite of 15 products, 4 of which have a reoccurring revenue streams built in. And it's a all-in-one course that solves the challenges beginners face when they are trying to build a list, send effective emails, and profit. Like I mentioned earlier, I've been a part of this program and have found it to be massively beneficial. Don't get me wrong, it's not a get rich quick scheme, and it takes a lot of effort. There's a technical aspect that a lot of beginners may struggle with. The great thing is that Anthony's there each step of the way to help beginners like you and me to make this thing work. So, if you're even slightly interested in learning more about this course, I've provided the link in the description below this video that you can click on. This course is built for beginners, so if you're just starting out or have tried to start an online business without success, give that link a click and get started today. Remember that the success of your business depends on your ability to reach and connect with your audience. If you're not building an email list, you're at risk of losing touch and having your business fall apart literally overnight. That link is in the description. If you have any questions, you can always leave them in the comments and I'll help answer them. If you found today's videos to be insightful, go ahead and hit that like button and remember to subscribe to the channel to be notified when I release new video content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.